Okay, so my best advice for those of you who get inauthentic content demonetization right now is that do not make the appeal video. Okay, you know, when I make a video about my successful YouTube channel that get demonetized by YouTube because of inauthentic content, and many people ask DM me, send me a message, send me an email asking me to make the video, to make appeal video for them, and asking me about the successful rate for the appeal. But right now, my best advice to you is that you need to wait maybe a few more weeks or few more days, stuff like that, because now YouTube changed their policy and they let the creator to create appeal video, but the successful rate is super low. To be honest, I have only one channel, so that is the first channel, the only channel I get successful, I get monetized after being hit by inauthentic content until now. By the way, I submit another 15 channel 2 days ago, and now I'm waiting for the result. But I guess the success rate will be very low. So if you are trying to do the appeal or you meet inauthentic content, then consider carefully, because when you are demonetized by inauthentic content, there are two options for you. So the first option is to make the appeal video. But if the appeal is failed, then YouTube may terminate other YouTube channel that you own or that you are in relationship with. So that is the first option, and it is very risky, because when you produce AI channel, you grow not only one channel, maybe 5 channel or 10 channel, and if they have any relation, you use the first option, then they can terminate other channel too. And I got the same problem here. When I first get inauthentic content, I make the appeal for one of my channel, and 5 other channel get demonetized because of related channel. Okay, so that is the first option. And option number 2 is to wait. After 90 days, you can reapply for monetization. So that is the best option right now. So please do not ask me to make the appeal video for you, and do not ask about the successful rate right now, because I will wait for all of the appeal here, and I will consider to make another video for you. Okay, so hopefully this is the right message to you. Hopefully it can help you, okay, and can help you stop making appeal video right now. Okay.